Tired of wrestling with clunky code just to understand what your website visitors are doing? Today, we're cracking the code to easily track and understand your website traffic by learning how to connect your website with Google Tag Manager. This simple process lets you effortlessly add and manage tracking scripts, opening a world of website analytics possibilities. First, head over to Google Tag Manager and create a new account. If you haven't already, then you should start editing your existing website container. Next, inside your container, you'll find the all-important container code. This code is what links Google Tag Manager to your website. You can find it by clicking on your container ID, which usually is visible in the top right of the screen. Copy both pieces of code provided. The first code snippet goes into the head greater than section of your website's HTML. And the second code snippet goes right after the opening less than body tag. This is usually done in your website's template files or through your website's CMS settings. Navigate to your website's backend, where you can edit your website's code or implement adjustments in your website integration tools. Locate the head greater than section and paste in the container code there. Then, paste the second snippet immediately after the opening body tag. Finally, head on back to Google Tag Manager. Now it's time to test the features and finalize publishing, and that's it. You've successfully connected your website to Google Tag Manager. Now you can start adding tags for tracking and analysis.